Hey, it's Donna Parto. Let me ask you a quick question. Are you one of the 80% of Americans who has a dream of writing a book, but you've just never gotten it done? Let me guess what you're thinking. It's going to be a lot of work. You have to have connections. You need to find an agent. You need to find a publisher. It's going to be unbelievably difficult. You're just never going to get it done. None of those things is true. What if I told you that there was a way to get your book in print and on Kindle in just 30 days? And what if I told you that I could just about guarantee that you would make it to the Amazon #1 bestsellers list using a little known insider's secret? I'm Donna Parto, and I'm the best-selling author of 30 books that have sold more than 1.5 million copies all over the world. And so now you're thinking, well, gee, easy for you to say, Donna. Let me tell you a little bit about Donna Parto that you may not know. My dad was a truck driver with a 6th grade education. My mom went to 9th grade and then dropped out to work at a 5 and dime and raise 8 kids. No one in my family went to college. No one in my family had any connections. I didn't know any famous people. I didn't know any influential people. I didn't know any agents. I didn't know any publishers. I didn't know any of those things. What I did have was a problem. And I looked for a solution. And when I found it, I knew it could help other people. My problem was simple. I was a new mom and I wanted to be at home with that baby more than anything else, but I had bills and I still needed to make money. And I found an answer and I wanted to share it with other women just like me. And that was my motivation. And if you have found an answer to a problem that other people are struggling with, I'm telling you, you are 90% of the way there. The biggest qualification you need is a message burning in your heart that you want to share with the world. I found a way. I can't say it was easy, but it was definitely a lot easier than the frustration of feeling like I'm never going to get this message out there. You know what I did? I took my brand new colicky baby. I put her in a snuggly pouch and I stood next to my keyboard for just a couple weeks. And I took everything that was in my mind and I put it onto the page using a very simple formula that I can share with you as well. And once I had done that, I could say, I'm an author. And when you're the author, you're instantly the authority. And just that one thing, being an author, began to open so many doors for me. Imagine when you are the author and you're instantly the authority. Then doors will begin opening for you. And all it takes is a willingness to turn that message into a written page. And it's so much easier than you think. Here's the crazy part, and I promise you it's true. You really can go from great idea to finished published book in 30 days. That's right, you can be in print and on Kindle in just 30 days. And I will show you exactly step by step how to get it done. I write my books in a hurry, always have. It took me 5 days to write Becoming a Vessel God Can Use, 10 days to write the Special Blessings Prayer. And I'm going to show you exactly how to write your book in a hurry, even if you're not a writer. And I'm going to show you why actually you don't need to be a great writer, because people don't want to read a magnum opus anymore. People are busy. You know what they want? Solutions to problems and encouragement and inspiration along the way. They want practical help to solve their problems. Less is more. A shorter book is better. So there's no reason to put this off for years and years. You can do it now with my training program. It's a 4-part video series called Authority. Get it? Authority. When you become the author, you're the authority. How to get your book in print and on Kindle in just 30 days. And once you've completed the program and you're a published author, so many other doors are going to open for you. Now, as a bonus, I'm going to include a special training program that I just did for my high-end coaching clients. And I'm going to make that training, the key highlights of that, my best insider secrets, I'm going to make that available to you at no extra charge. And among other things, I'm going to show you how I can just about guarantee you to be a #1 Amazon best-selling author using a little known insider's secret. Now, others are charging thousands of dollars for this type of information. And you have my word that this really is a simple step-by-step system. And if you follow it and do exactly what I say, you can get it done in 30 days. And if you don't find that this is the single best training program on the entire internet at this price point, let me know and I will refund your money. You can order right now by clicking the button or go to donnaparteau.com/authority. donnaparteau.com/authority. Remember, you're getting my 4-part step-by-step training program on how to get your book in print and on Kindle all in just 30 days, plus a bonus, my exclusive high-level training series that reveals my best insider secrets, including a little-known strategy that probably no one else will tell you about, that just about guarantees that you will achieve Amazon's #1 best-selling status. There's no other program available anywhere on the internet at this price point by someone who's actually sold more than 1 million books. Someone who's actually written 30 books in a hurry. Register, click the button, or go to donnaparteau.com/authority and get your book in print and on Kindle in just 30 days. And when you do, you'll be the authority and doors will begin to open for you.